Hi everyone, it's Costin again. Let's check out the latest updates on the practice.
So let's go in. I can see the walls are almost completed. They're closed. The floors are also done as well. Very neat, very beautiful. Here's the hallway. The lighting is almost complete. All treatment rooms are filled with light, as you can see. This is really important because in aesthetic dentistry, we need to take the color at daylight. And this is basically perfect for that purpose. Now the practice is ready to receive the design features and the technology. One of the fundamental principles of modern dentistry, which is also integrated in this practice, is proactive oral medicine instead of tooth-by-tooth dentistry. I designed the entire practice to integrate oral medicine with the entire body health. That is done by an interdisciplinary approach for basically one purpose only: health and beauty of the mouth, which is the entry point of our bodies, the most social organ we possess, and the mirror of the systemic health. I'm looking forward to see what's happening next week. The floors will probably be installed and some of the technology will be delivered. Stay tuned for more updates.